The only thing what I'm using is the simple naked strategy, and I only using the levels and the times.
So I'll just start by saying who I am and what I'm doing today. So my name is Leah from the PR department of AudaCity Capital. And at the moment, we're just conducting a few interviews with our traders just to find out a bit more about their journey into trading and how they got interested in trading. So my first question for you is just to introduce yourself and then explain how you got interested in trading to begin with.
My name is Milovan. I am 37 years old, and I can say that I'm private employer right now at this moment. I have private company for transportation people, like traffic from airport to the cities and that kind of things and arrangements. And I started trading about, let's say, about 2 years ago. I saw on the newspapers advertising something, and I said to myself, let's try to see how it works, And then I started through our domestic brokerage company, and I was trading there for about, let's say, 3 months, but I didn't have any knowledge about the trading and that kind of things, I was only like today, I was only using the margin leverage, that kind of things. The mostly I'm using and mathematic things.
Great. So did you teach yourself how to trade, or did you have any previous education regarding trading or a mentor or anything?
To be honest, when I was trading at that domestic platform, I was trading about 3 months and about 5,000 deposit. I made around almost 15,000, And when I was transferring the money, when I was putting the deposit again, when I was putting the deposit, I was only the buying the time, And they blocked me my 1,000. Because they notice what I'm doing. And the reason, when they told me tomorrow, the reason was like they didn't verify another card, But I asked them, okay, you didn't verify my card, but why you took the deposit previous times, a couple of times? Why you didn't tell me then? You didn't verify the card, we cannot make transactions, and etc., And then I say to myself, and then I'm gonna teach now. I'm gonna learn now. And I was going in some private school, and for about, let's say, 3 months, something like that. And then I have to mention that I was joined on some competition in Forex through AudaCity Trader platform, and I won their first place.
Great. So it seems like you're doing really well with your trading then, and the private education you got regarding trading.
Let's say like a beginner, pretty much good.
Yeah, that's great to hear. I think a lot more people are doing what you're doing as well, just going into mentorships or private education, or even learning themselves into trading, and they're becoming very great traders and very profitable. So that is great to hear. So my next question is, have you ever faced any challenges or obstacles that may have set you back a bit or even ruined your trading, and did you manage to come out on top with them?
Yeah, of course. Always, even if I made some mistakes, I'm trying to learn from my mistakes where I made mistakes, and trying to improve myself to be better in trading.
Great. That sounds great, and I think that's the best attitude to have, I think.
Yeah. Thanks.
So you're on the funded trader program with AudaCity Capital, yeah?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. So how's that been for you so far? Are you liking it so far? Do you have any feedback? How's your trading been?
I like it. The only thing that the one thing that actually that you have the rule is that I have to close the orders before the 6th, before the weekend, you know. But fortunately, you know, some of the debt orders can, you know, return in Monday and close in profit. Sometimes I have to close them in minus, and only that thing. But it's okay. I don't mind.
Yeah. With weekend positions, as long as you request them from our risk management team, then they can approve you to keep it open over the weekend, which is useful for some traders as well. And we're just introducing a new system as well, which you can do that online, and you can see if you've been accepted or declined the request for the weekend.
Yeah.
So I can give you more information about that and the email if you would like it as well.
Yeah, of course. Why not?
Great.
Sure.
So my last question is a bit of a tricky one, and it's what I ask to all the people that I interview, and it is, what is the best advice you could give to someone who's just starting their trading journey? So this might be something that really helped you grow as a trader, something that you really wish you knew when you started off trading, anything like that.
What can I give if I look at looking at myself, you know, that how to say, I spend a couple of months in front of the screen, you know, to realize how this works, you know, and many times, like when you, for example, even if I made some mistake in order, I leave it that order, you know, to keep going, and I make another opposite direction, you know, the other. Even if I made mistake, I can cover with other order, because I don't have to be in the panic. I'm going to lose, and you know, many people close that orders before, because they think that it's gonna go. You know, very nobody knows until when it's gonna go. But I have to say that the only thing what I'm using is the simple naked strategy, you know, and I'm only using the levels and the times, you know, and watching the charts, and that's it. And usually I know when there are the times when the other exchange stocks they are opening, you know, and in that times there usually is happening something, you know, and I'm measuring the usually watching the 4-hour and daily chart. And as you can know, that during the day it's going up and down, you know. And many people think that when something looks that is going to go up, you know, suddenly it goes down, and after 1 hour they return back on the same level. Every time the price, when you open, it needs to take at least 2 times. So even if I made mistake, sooner or later it's going to return back.
Yeah, I think that is some great advice, and hopefully to anyone who is watching this on our channel will take that on board. And I think you've got a great positive attitude as well to learn from your mistakes and go on. So that's great to hear as well.
Okay, thanks. Thanks.
I think that's everything from me today. So thank you so much for this interview, and it's been
welcome.
meeting you today.
Me too, also.
Hopefully in a few weeks and months we can catch up again to see how you're doing with the account.
Hopefully. Hope so.
Great.
Okay.
Great. Have a great
nice
day.
day.
See ya.